Now let's go for a sample interview for a UNIX shell scripting requirement. To go to the shell script workspace, we will click on the CoPanel icon on the status bar at the bottom and then select Bash from the drop-down menu. This will open the Bash project. Each project has a README file that contains instructions on how to handle the project. The candidate can take a minute to go through the README file and understand how to use the workspace. The interviewer asks the candidate to write a shell script that takes a file name as an argument and displays the number of lines, words, and characters in the file. The candidate creates a new file by clicking on the New File button and providing a file name. The candidate then writes the necessary code. To execute the code, the candidate goes to the menu bar, then selects Terminal and New Terminal. On the terminal, they can execute the code and also debug any issues. In this example, we see that the script does not have permissions, which is the default behavior, so the candidate provides the required permissions to run the script. If the code works properly, they will see the desired output. Thank you for your interest in CoPanel. For more information, please visit us at copanel.online or shoot out a mail to sales@copanel.online. Also, please follow us on social media to stay on top of the latest updates from CoPanel.